What happens if you plank every day for 1 minute? Bodyweight exercises are gaining popularity in the fitness world due to their simplicity and practicality, allowing you to get in shape using just your own body weight. Planks, a classic bodyweight exercise, remain effective regardless of trends. This exercise is ideal for those with busy schedules who find it difficult to visit the gym. Doing a plank daily, even for just 1 minute, helps strengthen your entire core. In fact, many fitness experts consider planking to be one of the most effective exercises for developing six-pack abs, even more so than crunches. Continue reading to discover the benefits of planking every day for 60 seconds. First, it significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal injuries. While exercising, there is always a risk of back and spine injuries. However, when done correctly, planking strengthens your back muscles without putting excessive pressure on your hips and spine. This helps alleviate back pain and improves posture when sitting and walking. Second, it defines your abs. Planks target all major core muscles, including your obliques and abdominals. As you become better and stronger at planking, you'll also improve your performance in other exercises. Regular gym goers will notice increased strength in compound lifts like squats and deadlifts. Additionally, planking boosts gains in your glutes, which is great news for women. Third, it boosts your overall metabolism. As a compound exercise, planks engage multiple muscles simultaneously. This means you burn more calories compared to other abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Building muscle also leads to a higher metabolic rate, since more muscle mass results in faster metabolism. Fourth, it enhances your overall balance. If you struggle to stand on one leg or frequently lose balance, weak abdominal muscles might be the cause. Planking for 1 minute daily improves overall balance, enhancing performance in various sports and activities. Fifth, it benefits you mentally.